intro. Welcome to today's video on mastering emotional resilience through Stoicism. Before we dive in, if you find this content helpful, please like, share, comment below with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more insights on Stoic philosophy and personal development. Today we'll explore how to turn rejection into an opportunity for growth and maintain your composure in the face of indifference. Let's dive into 13 practical strategies rooted in Stoic philosophy to handle rejection effectively. 1. Ignore them. 2. When faced with rejection, one powerful strategy is to ignore the people who are ignoring you. By not giving them your attention, you reclaim your power and prevent their actions from affecting your emotional state. 2. Don't react emotionally. In line with Stoic teachings, avoid reacting emotionally to rejection. Instead, maintain a calm and collected demeanor. Remember, your reactions are within your control, and a composed response is a mark of true strength. 3. Remove them from your mind. To stay unaffected by rejection, practice removing the individuals or situations from your thoughts. This mental detachment helps you focus on your own growth, rather than dwelling on the negative experiences. 4. Demonstrate your value. Show through your actions that you possess worth and capabilities. Use rejection as motivation to further demonstrate your value, and let your achievements speak for themselves. 5. Cut off contact. Sometimes, the best approach is to cut off contact with those who reject you. This doesn't mean holding a grudge, but rather creating space for your own well-being and focusing on positive influences. 6. Prove them wrong. Use rejection as fuel to prove yourself. Channel your energy into self-improvement and success, showing that their rejection was an opportunity for you to rise above and excel. 7. Go out and have fun. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Enjoying life and pursuing your interests helps you maintain a positive outlook and reduces the impact of rejection on your emotional state. 8. Build your social status. Strengthen your social connections and build your social status. By surrounding yourself with supportive people, you create a network that uplifts you, making the sting of rejection less impactful. 9. Act as if they don't exist. Adopt a mindset where you act as if those who have rejected you do not exist. This mental shift helps you focus on your own path and reduces the emotional burden of their indifference. 10. Give them the silent treatment. Sometimes, a silent response can be powerful. By not acknowledging the rejection or engaging in further communication, you demonstrate that their actions do not affect you. 11. Don't beg for attention. Avoid begging for attention or approval. True self-respect comes from within, and seeking validation from others often leads to disappointment. Instead, focus on valuing yourself. 12. Be kind, but emotionally distant. Practice kindness without allowing others' actions to affect your emotional state. Maintain a polite demeanor while keeping a healthy emotional distance to protect your inner peace. 13. Don't reveal your struggle. Keep your struggles and frustrations to yourself. Sharing them with others can sometimes lead to further discomfort. Instead, manage your emotions privately and focus on constructive actions. Remember this. Remember, the essence of Stoicism is not to avoid rejection, but to remain unaffected by it. Use these strategies to maintain your composure, focus on personal growth, and let rejection become a stepping stone to resilience and success. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on Stoic philosophy and personal development. Thanks for watching.